Just want to tell you our experience with Top One. They've been a very good company to work with, and I'll tell you a little bit of some of the issues we've seen and the way they've helped us solve those problems. We had a previous manufacturer of this display here, and we started having difficulty with that manufacturer, and we couldn't get the display we needed. So we contacted Top One, and they managed to make us prototypes within just a few weeks and matched the profile that we needed. And then they were able to go into production for us and sell us the quantities we need of exactly the display to fit the opening we have and the requirements we had for resolution and brightness and connections on the back for the HDMI and the touchscreen and everything. So Top One has been really good with that and helped us in many ways. So we use now the Top One display in this system, and we have been for several years now. So then I'll show you another system. Follow me. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we designed a new system, and we decided to contact Top One again and ask them, could they make us this custom faceplate and display system with a full glass blackened display and a very high, bright, colorful display for us with high resolution. And Top One was able to do this. And we had a few issues in the beginning. We found that we liked the display when it was optically bonded to the faceplate much better. We got no gray haze. So we get rid of the haze with the optical bonding. We also decided we wanted to turn the display upside down because our customers look down on the display normally, not up from the bottom. So we had a better viewing angle when we looked down on the display, which was much better. And then we had one other problem. We had a problem of where the connectors of the display fit, the HDMI and the power connectors. So when we turned the display over, we needed the connectors to remain in the original position. So Top One redesigned the driver board and made those connectors fit where they needed to. But then one last problem we had was the new driver board occasionally was failing. So we worked with Top One. They were very good. The engineers worked sometimes at midnight to talk with us because of the time difference, and finally found the solution with it was a grounding problem, it appears. The engineers at Top One figured out the problem, gave us a fix, and now everything seems to be perfect. So we really like Top One. They've been a great vendor for us, and I have nothing but good things to say about them. So if you have a question, call me. I'm happy to talk to you.
Thank you very much. The monitors had been sent to America already. Right now, what is the Top One tax action for the failed monitors and displays?
Well, yeah, so the failed monitors we have, Top One was very good because they took all the old monitors back. They're fixing them with a new circuitry and repairing them and bringing them back to us and taking care of that whole problem. So Top One's been amazing. It's been very good to work with them. We're very satisfied.